Okay, here we go. It's about 30-kilometer wind. We're at the Parklands. The pilot is Dan. He's going to give it a try and fly in a 30-kilometer wind. Here we go. Nothing at all. It looks, well, the wind has come down a little bit, but the plane looks like nothing. This jet, it doesn't even, that's crazy. The wind has actually slowed down a little bit now, but still, we'll be flying again. Here we go, the wind is picking up now again. Here we go, there's the jet. It has got the AR636 RX on it with the wind resistance setup. There's no safe. She's flying no problems at all in this wind. Then you feel any, oh here we go, it's flying it upside down. There you go, so there's no problems at all. Hi? Yep, here we go, he's going to do a touch and go. The wind's at least 20. Yeah. It's interesting. I really thought it would be dangerous flying this jet, but not, maybe not. Next, we have to try one day with the flex jet at this sort of winds. Look at that bird coming in to touch and go. There you go. There you go. What a sound. Did you hear that sound? That was one of his worst landings ever. He normally lands it so nice and crisp. Check this landing now. Especially with this wind, actually sometimes helping him. Oh, it's pretty windy now. The jet's getting moved around. You can see. Here you go, here you go. You can see it coming in. There you go. Look at that. You can't beat that. That was a smooth landing, even in a 20-kilometer wind. Oh, she's oscillated a little bit. She Dan? Buffeting. Nah, she's just buffering a little bit with the wind. Here we go. She comes in again. You can see she moves a little bit around, but Dan just brings it on so nice and smooth. Look at that, look at that. Oh, it's getting windy now. It's about 25 k's now. Here we go, here we go. You just see that. Now it's picking up. Here we go. Now it's a good time for him to land. Here we go. Now we're looking at 25 at least. Yep, the trees are moving around big times. Let's have a look how he brings it in. Oh, you should have no problem. Dan is a top pilot. Here we go. Here we go. As you can see, she's coming in. Look at that. Look at that smoothness on it. Look at that videoing by Shram. Oh, Dan, you'll be impressed with this videoing, mate.